Now, one last little thing with double stops is our nice little Chuck Berry. Let's talk about this riff real quick and give you a little context of it with Pipeline, Johnny Thunder's version. There's actually a help video or a cover video of me running this, and I just want to make sure I still have your attention.
And that the camera is still on me. Hold on.
There's a play along, but let me just take you along verbally. So the tune is just E and A, putting the minor third over top of it. Now this is a classic surf rock tune from the 50s. So many people have done versions of this. I like the Johnny Thunders version, but it's E to A and then B, C, B, C, B, and then A. Okay, so that's the rhythm. Now the lead so it's playing off of a Mixolydian scale with the E. I'm putting a major, putting the Dorian. I'm putting the. Anyway, it's too late. My brain is kerfucked. Let me just show you the notes. Play this, imitate, shape, discover for self. But we have B, D, E, D, E, F sharp, E, D, E, D, E, F sharp, E, D, B. And then we have a little slide up to the E. But that comes up next, sorry. And then we have the exact same thing, one string towards the floor, starting on E. E, G, A, G, A, B, A, G, E, A, G, A, B, A, G, A, G, E. Now, why do I bring up all this? Because the double stops, when we hit the B, this cool little turnaround, we are going pentatonic, root position, following the chords, following the changes, just like that little exercise on how to practice those earlier, your power chords, put them with the scale. We're going to be doing a double stop. So we're going to play the changes, we're going to follow the changes. So we're going to play the same lick, but it's going to be from our root position B, minor pentatonic, root position C minor pentatonic, and our A minor root position pentatonic. And the riff is when we get, here's our first octave, one octave, second octave, from the fourth scale degree. From the fourth scale degree, we're going to bend it to the fifth, pitch-wise, and then hit our octave. So we're doing a 4/5 octave. Hold the B and E string with your index finger. I like to use my ring and middle finger when I'm further down the fretboard. When I get up top, you know, your middle finger's good enough. Gets a little cramped in there, but to help push the string, I like to do it that way. So we're gonna hit it. So we're gonna hit the riff the same way, which is gonna be cool. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. But we're gonna follow the changes. lots of variations on that riff, and of course, a good way to do it, it's the same way we were talking before. There's lots of variations you can do. You can walk down the scale, hitting that 7th on the way back down. That's one of my favorites. You can also go right to the octave. I hope you had some fun today. I hope you can follow me. I think I followed myself well enough. Going to San Francisco bright and early in the morning. Didn't want to have another missed opportunity to make a little video. Connect with some people. Try to help more music in the world, right? Even if it's my own. Gotta start with yourself first. I'll see you guys next time. Make a lot of noise. Even better, you got a good friend to play it with, right? I think I need to go to bed, but rock out with your bad selves. Peace.